Making G Fuel. Hey guys, I have an idea. What if I can make a wireless remote control air cannon that I could hide in cabinets and stuff like that, make the ultimate remote control prank cannon? Let's build it. The cannon is officially complete. I didn't show you guys the last part where I wired it all together and added the wireless like RF control, but that was kind of the complicated part. Anyway, it's done, and I could trigger it with a remote. Now we just gotta see if it actually fires. We're just gonna load it up with some paper towel, make sure it works. I have the PSI set to 50 just for a test. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! It works. My friends are on their way over right now, and I just loaded this with flour for, you know, a practical test. Let's see. What's up, Mr. Seth? What's up, Mr. Kyle?
What's up? Just waiting for a G Fuel.
Oh, you want a G Fuel?
I do want one.
You want a G Fuel?
Yeah.
Why don't you go make a G Fuel? What flavor are you choosing?
What flavor do you want? Green apple. Green apple?
I'll do the same. Right. Making G Fuel.
I almost dropped all of these glasses. Are you kidding me? What the?
Yes.
That had some power to it. It's terrifying. It's funny.
This is my new cannon.
Hey, don't make a mess.
No. And that's how you make a remote control prank cannon.
Still a G Fuel?